Hi guys, I'm Glenyce Hughes and I get to travel this beautiful world of ours, facilitating people on creating their dreams come true. And here I am at the Blue Lagoon in Iceland. Yeah, baby, another dream come true. How does it get any more beautiful than this? It is just so magical here. And I even had a massage in the water, like laying in the water and on this like kind of floaty mat type of thing. And this girl was just magical. And oh my gosh, it's just, how does it get any better than this? So what I wanted to share is a really cool tool that I use when I buy things or spend money on things. And it's actually asking the thing, truth, if I buy you, will you make me money? And so buying these tickets, and my dad and I came, hubby went to geocaching, of course. So my dad and I came and you have to pre-buy them. So I was, getting online, buying them, asking, truth, if I buy you, will you make me money? And it was just this huge yes. And for me, a yes is often really expansive and it makes me smile and I just get really like that. And then when I had the option to add a massage, I asked the same question. So truth, if I buy you, will you make me money? And it was the same thing. And so what that does is it actually invites you as the asker of it. Will you receive more from it? And let me tell you, just even being in this water, but also having that massage and receiving the massage, I received so much more from the masseuse, from the water, from the sun, from the clouds, from the people, it was just magical. And then also what it does is it gives whatever it is you're buying, the job, so to speak, of what to do, which is to bring you more money. Now, how is a massage like that going to bring me more money? I just certainly didn't wake up with any in my bathing suit, although you do have to take it like almost off. But you got a big heavy blanket on, so you're all good. So, not logical like that, but energetically, you're willing to receive more. It's given the job, if it says yes, of course. And then what else? Like, what else is possible when you're not trying to figure it out, when you're not being logical with it? How much more can you receive? Yeah. So look at all the things, and you don't have to. If you get a no, you don't have to not buy it. And what might be possible. And I think we've got some like Instagram stars behind us or something. There's so many people here posing like what we would call like for Instagram photos and stuff, but it's the perfect background. I mean, it's amazing. So I start asking everything. So truth, if I buy you, will you make me money? And then be willing to receive more from everything. Be willing to recognize that something else might actually be possible when you're willing to receive even more, and then even more, and then even more. Even though you're not here with me in this beautiful water, can you receive from it? Yeah, can you drop the barriers between, not being in the water with me and being the oneness that you truly be and actually receive from it? Yeah, and receive from all the beautiful bodies in here and all of the sunshine and the clouds and Iceland in general. I gotta tell you guys, this is one of the most magical countries that I have ever traveled to. And I've traveled to a lot of countries, but just so magical. I'm really steaming up. I'm gonna take those off for a moment. So yeah, just receiving from it all. And maybe there's places you would like to travel. Maybe this is one of them. Maybe there's other places. If you be the oneness that you be with them now and ask them to contribute and gift and receive with them, I'll tell you what, it usually shows up way quicker than what you would ever expect. So there's some awesome tools for you guys. I'm at the end of my stay here. We're off to the airport next, and after 3 weeks away, I'm so excited to see my babies tonight. So have an awesome week, guys, and I look forward to chatting with you next week.